July 27th, Sawtooth Mountains. The snow's finally gone. We're going to hike 4 miles into Leah's Lake. It's a 60-acre high alpine lake. We're hoping for big fish. Big water equals big fish. Generally, smaller lakes are easier to fish because you can get to the shoreline a lot quicker. But supposedly there's grayling in this lake. We're going to look. We're definitely going to catch grayling if they're there. But there's definitely cutthroat trout, maybe rainbow trout, brook trout. So we're going to see what we see, catch what we catch, and then eat it. So here we are. Here I am. Leah's Lake, 8,500 feet elevation. Beautiful deep water. I'm still waiting on the other two guys. They're taking a while to get up that last 1,000 vertical feet. So I am throwing a casting spoon, and I really like to use this lure when I initially get to a lake because it allows me to cast it extremely far. It sinks fast. Lets me see what kind of fish are in the water. Even if I don't get a strike, a lot of the times I'll get a follow in, and I can gauge the size of the fish and the species. When the water's this clear, the fish are going to go deep. Oh, maybe not actually. I got 2 trout followed it in. So 2 trout followed it in, about 6 inches long. I'm going to let this sink a little bit longer. Maybe there's some bigger fish deeper in the water column.
No follows that way. Little fish fouled it in, nothing big. Oh, guys. Here it is. It looks like, oh, it's a rainbow. Oh, cutbow. It's a hybrid between a rainbow and a cutthroat. You got rainbow markings on it, but it's got a cutthroat jaw. Really small fish. Let that one go. So cutbow, they generally don't stock those fish, so I'm thinking that there's a wild population of cutbows in this lake. So that's awesome. Now that one definitely wasn't sexually mature, so that means there's definitely sexually mature fish. Sexually mature fish are larger, usually about 12, 13 inches. And so now we just got to target those guys, find out where they're sitting, and catch them. Still throwing a casting spoon. I moved to a drop off, so the water gets deeper faster here. I'm hoping there's a little bit larger fish we can entice to bite. They're biting the tip of my fishing pole in the water. Insane. Oh. More of those cut bows. A lot of small ones. It's a good sign. It's a bad time of day. It's right before noon, so the sun is starting to go high. Usually larger fish will wait to feed until right around sundown and then right at sun up. But we're gonna make it work. Water's cold. Oh yeah. Throwing a spinner, big drop off. Let's see if anything's out there. I'm gonna let it sink for a few seconds. Oh, big cutthroat just bit my fishing pole. Damn, that was a big one, dude. It just bit my fishing pole. Oh. Cutthroat. Don't want to lose him. And that's what we're after today. Beautiful cutthroat trout. That's dinner. Oh yeah!
Oh, there we go.
Oh fuck! Shit! Damn it!
Spit it right out.
Fuck! Oh, he's coming back for it. That was a big fish.
Got one.
Yeah?
Oh.
Bring it in, man. Nice!
Nope, nope, nope.
The way that I went like you.
Spit it right out.
You went all the way. You went all the way.
Definitely in here.
Yeah, this definitely. That was a big one I had.
Looks like you saw the bent on the pole.
Yeah, that was a big fish.
If we can get some luck and get some rain, they'll be crazy before and after that storm.
Well, they were biting when that little storm came through.
Mm-hmm. Preferably, the better, the shorter the storm, the better.
Yeah.
It just hits them, they get frenzied, and then they're after it, and then maybe another one comes by. That's the best. When you have one long storm, that actually will shut them off during the storm. Yeah, I've found it. You know what? Sort of, not quite. Kind of.
Got him.
There you go. That's a good one.
That's a good fish.
That is a good one.
Big cutthroat. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah, that's really
Yeah. Barely hooked too. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Fucking Jesus. Fuck! God damn it! Dang. He got away. Still got that fish?
These fall through pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, got him off.
Ah, was
I
it
would've
big?
kept him.
I had that one, dude. I had it in my hands and it fucking got away.
You really should have ripped when you see this guy.
Oh, fuck! It was a big fish. Missed it.
Joel doesn't catch small fish.
The lure that I'm using, small fish aren't hitting.
Yeah. Down here, there's like a big shelf.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Another nice one. Double whammy.
There you go.
Nice.
Beautiful fish. Oh.
Dude, I'm fishing. Dude, this thing's a monster. Are you kidding me? Holy shit, dude.
I eat the shit out of this little night.
Oh my god. It's a massive trout. Well, let's get that on camera here.
Dude. Bring that fish over here. Bring it
I'm coming.
Holy crap.
I gotta fight the Charlie horses as I walk. Make sure I get a good grip.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna suffocate you, you little bitch. Look at
Hold
this
it up,
sucker.
man.
Look at this.
That's a brown.
Yeah.
No, it's cutthroat. Yeah. It's cutthroat.
I had a tangle in my line. He thought he was gonna pull one over on me while I was letting it out, trying to fix it. Hits it, and he's running it out. Thank you very much, nice brown trout. Come to dinner with us. We got a great fire coming tonight. You're invited.
Looks like
Got one? Hell yeah. Oh, I can see him from out here. He got some size to him. See that white underbelly. There you go.
Nice.
Right off the shelf. That's a good size.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
I'll eat that one tonight.
Another cutthroat.
There we go, add to the fish fry.
We're eating well tonight. That's a keeper.
Well, I'm at 5 then.
Alright. I'm only at 2, 3. You wanna let it go?
Yeah.
Alright.
There'll be other ones.
A conservationist, through and through.
Well, I just want to keep fishing.
Eight beautiful fish. Successful day of fishing. We got another morning here. Woo! Man. Oh man. Filleting some trout for dinner. See this pink color? That would be cutbow, so a hybrid rainbow trout, cutthroat trout, and this paler flesh. This is cutthroat. You can see the size difference between that big cutthroat and this rainbow. I'm gonna fillet the other side of this guy, and then I still got a couple more fish to do. We got the fish cooking. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Chef Niall. Ooh. Oh, it's bubbling. Oh yeah. Oh, it's flaky.
Flaky?
Do you have a spoon?
I don't. Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good, right?
So,
Olive oil, salt, pepper, dude.
a little bit.
It's good.